Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm.
And Papa Builder Things.
And today we're going to talk about who Myshire is, how we came to be, and what our plans for in the future. So, Papa?
So we moved here in 2011 and my daughter had expressed an interest in living on a farm. We had lived in a very nice college community, but we had already started with a chicken tractor. And it was getting out of control. Didn't take long. And so we figured we better be thinking something else. I'd watched Food Inc. only one time, and it made a lot of sense to me that we just weren't taking enough responsibility for the food that we were eating, and that we have children and grandchildren and all that. So that was the motivation behind moving to our little homestead. And back then, and maybe even before then, was the Lord of the Rings. And they had the really cool Shire. And so that's how it came to be the Myshire. It was a Shire, but it was Myshire. So it's our Shire now. And so that's how we came up with the name. And being a builder of things, and that's kind of what I've done all my life. We moved here. I built the shop first, which is the same square footage as the shop that I had there in Yellow Springs, Ohio. And then while we were waiting on our permit for the house, we fixed up some barns and then we built the house. It took a year to build a house from October to October. We did build everything in the house, so all the moldings and the cabinetry and tops and all that we built. We had some really great help that was by the hour, and the two and maybe sometimes a third of us, the third person, was able to build this really cool house that we have. And Zach has moved into the old farmhouse, and then in between all that we built another house for my other daughter. So all of my family lives here on the Shire, which is wonderful. So as things progressed and we were actually trying to find something that we didn't have to buy chickens every year, and Jenna happened on the quail. And so as we bought 50 quail one year, and then she started a little business selling stuff, and we moved from one location to the next until we now have the big barn. It tried to kill me, really. It was way too big a project for me at my age, but we got the big barn up, and so now we're thanks to great customers and friends now, most of them, we've been able to sustain ourselves here, right here on the farm. And Zach has done a great job with the marketing and all that, but it kind of falls to me to build stuff. So I try to do my best sending these little videos out of what I'm building today. But that's my story, and Zach is full-time now on the quail, and he can tell you a little more about the quail and the animals that we have, and what we see as the future of Myshire Farm, and what we hope to be conveying to you guys as we live through this process. Zach?
Yeah, and we want to become more self-sufficient, and we did get into quail for that. It turned into a business that we are very proud of, but a lot of our videos, we've got over 300 videos on our YouTube channel now, and majority, if not all of them, pertain to Coturnix quail. And we are still a quail business, and we're still going to give you as much information so that you can start and continue your journey with Coturnix quail. But we also have ducks and chickens and rabbits and Angus cow and emus and cooney pigs and meat goats, and we're getting dairy goats, and we've got bees. We've got all kinds of stuff. We've got the hoop house and the greenhouse, and we really want to get more involved with the overall self-sufficient use of our land. So in the upcoming months and years, we're really going to start on our journey to really become self-sufficient in a big way, and we would love for you to join us and share in that experience. So this video is really to let you know why we did this, where we're at, and where we want to go, and we'd love for you to join us. So Myshire Farm on YouTube. You can check out our website too to see the stuff that we offer, which is myshirefarm.com. But really, if you just Google Myshire Farm, you'll see all the fun and cool stuff that we're doing, and we would love for you to join us on this journey. So until next time, stay safe. This is Zach from Myshire Farm.
Stop a builder things.
And we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.
Ciao.